Hi everyone, my name is Sonia Gaona and today I would like to introduce my research topic, Technology Integration in Early Childhood Education. My presentation includes an overview of technology, controversy integrating technology in early childhood classrooms, research conducted in the United States and outside of the United States, as well as technology integration in my own future early childhood classroom. Many people have embraced technology in their lives as a source of entertainment, communication, and as a tool to make their lives easier. As a whole, society has embraced technology and is more commonly seen on a day-to-day basis. We see it even as mothers give their cell phones to their children and young infants as a source of entertainment to pacify them. So how does this translate into the early childhood setting field? Well, there is much controversy in that topic. Many teachers are reluctant to integrate technology in their classrooms. Some are hesitant because they are unsure of how to create a developmentally appropriate environment for children utilizing this technology. Others disagree. They just say that technology is beneficial and they're perfectly comfortable integrating technology into their classroom. Of course, these are very few, so that leaves for much research to be conducted. Texas State University conducted a study performed by Smith, Burrow, Feit, and Guerra in 2016. The study was conducted by surveying and examining the impact of decisions of pre-service teachers relating to integrating technology into their classrooms. An astounding 70% of them said that they would be willing to integrate technology into their classroom, but that leaves about 20% that are still reluctant to integrating the technology into their classroom. The National Association for Young Children also has much to say. They published an article in 2008 titled Meaningful Technology Integration in Early Environments. In that article, the National Association exposed a classroom of a blended environment in which the children were exposed to an environment of technology and other tools they were able to utilize and explore through discovery, such as cameras, iPads, and other means of technology were introduced into this blended environment with the aid, of course, of the teacher. And this brought many benefits that were exposed, such as the introduction of images to young children, vocabulary growth, development of fine motor skills, and cognitive building strategies. So one can say that this was a very successful classroom. Other research has also been conducted. Research in Kuwait showed that Kuwait was very equipped with the ownership of digital technologies. However, the teachers there were reluctant to use the technologies, and 57% of them said that they would not like to see children utilizing or playing with digital devices in their classroom. This research was conducted by Alfari, Palagosi, Polarusso in 2016. The hesitation of teachers to integrate technology in the early childhood setting left much to be researched. Also, taking into account that they were the teachers there were very capable and utilized personal technology to their full capacity, utilizing phones and iPads for their own personal use. Another research conducted in the Netherlands also researched the perspectives of teachers in the early hood integration of technology. Their data found that the teachers wanted to get involved in the redesigning of the software to introduce to their classroom. The research there also gathered the academic results of the children. And they found that the children outperformed the children in the control groups not utilizing technology in literacy. This research was gathered by Civico, McKinney, and Vogue in 2013. So with that said, and those researches being read, in my future classroom, I would like to utilize technology to be an effective teacher in my classroom. I plan to supplement my instruction with technology and always keep in mind my instructional goals. I would like to keep in mind that technology can never replace me as the teacher, and utilize technology as a tool to the learning process of the children. I believe that CBU has helped me realize that I need to be an effective teacher and utilize the strategies and the tools that are given to me to the benefit of the children. Well, thank you for watching, and God bless.